Video 5, Unit 10. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Today I'm going to discuss Unit number 10, The Naughty Monkey. Let's read the objectives. As you can see, recognize and use the apostrophe with contractions. Recognize the function of more WH forms used in questions. Respond to and ask more WH questions. Comprehend questions, personal response. Now let's start with apostrophe. Did you see, students, some kind of this one? Have you ever seen this? This is called apostrophe. What is this called? Apostrophe. What is the function of this? The function of apostrophe is to shorten the words when you combine two words by omitting some few words. For example, like it's omitted letters. It means that it omitted letters in contractions. Whenever we shortened some words, some letters are omitted and we use apostrophe. Let me give you some examples so you might have a better understanding about that one. See this, for example, I'm writing here, students, do not. These are two words. Contract means to shortened. Now I'm gonna shorten that word. So how I can do this? What is the procedure? Is that one, whenever I omitted some few letters, for example D-O, and now I am omitting that O with one, so I am putting that one where I omitted that letter with the apostrophe and the last letter. In this way we contract some words in this way using an apostrophe. Let me write more examples. For example, I am writing here could not. Could not. Now I am going to contract these two words. So how can I do this? Could not and apostrophe and T. Couldn't. Now I am going to pronounce that one. Couldn't. The first one, do not. When I contract that words, I am pronouncing with that word, that's don't. Now could not change into couldn't. Now move to that one, they are. Now I am contracting they are into they, apostrophe, they are. Now I am contracting to I am contracting to I am. Got it? So in this way, students, we shorten some words, contract some words by the use of apostrophe. Now in this book, on page number 103, students, look at question number 7. Make contractions of the following words. Like there are some words that given you in your textbook. We are now going to contract these words. So I am writing here. Have a look on this one. I hope this will be quite helpful for you. Now students, look at this. Does not change into doesn't. Does not change into doesn't. Let us change into, these are called contraction. Let's. Has not change into hasn't. I have change into I've. You have changed into you've. What is change into what's? This is change into this. Should not change into shouldn't. So in this way, students, we can contract some words, we can contract some two words and join them and forming these shortened forms that are called contractions. So I hope now you have an understanding about it. Now move to that one important one, that is another important part of this lesson, how we can use questioning forms and how we can make question ones. That is an important part. Please, I need your attention in this. These are called, the topic is question words. Question words. There are some questions, as you can see that. Who was mischievous? See this, that one. Who is a question that refers to some people. Who is always used to refer to some people. Where is always used to refer to a place or a location. When is always used to refer time or a place. Why is always asked for a reason. Why is always used whenever you ask for a reason. Now what? What is a specific information when you inquire something important from someone, then we use what. Which is used for choice. Whenever you want to ask something, a choice between this and this, we use the term question form which. So I hope now you understand. Please do remember all these terms. So then you have an idea how we can make these questions. Now there is an examples of this one in front of you. You can see that who was mischievous. Where did the monkey go? What did the juggler put in the jars? Why did the villagers catch the monkey? Which animal do you like the most, monkey or gorilla? Now you can see that on page number 104, these questions already have written in your textbook. We need to answer that one. So let's answer that. Number one is that who was mischievous? Who? Yes, the monkey. Where did the monkey go? He went to the village. He went to the village. What did the juggler put in the jar? I know you know the answer. Yes, the peanuts. Why did the villagers catch the monkey? Because he was creating so much disturbance in the village, and the villagers were very upset by his mischievous behavior. Okay, now which animal do you like the most, monkey or gorilla? It depends upon you. It's your choice, either which one you want. You like either you like gorilla or monkey. So answer it according to your choice. So now move towards the last part of this lesson. Change the following sentences on page number 104. Look at this, students. Change the following sentences to questions using the given question words in your notebook. One has been done for you. First, I need to raise that one. Okay, this is the question forms. Let's start with I do my homework in the evening. Look at the question, look at the statement. I do my homework in the evening. Now I need to change that in the question form. So how can I change it? What is the criteria? The criteria is here. I already have written. I do my homework in the evening. That means it defines what? It's refer, time or place. Where we use time and place, we use when. What we use? When. The answer is, I'm changing the color of this one so that it's quite easy to read that one. When do you do your homework, and ending with a question mark. See this? When do you do your homework? The answer is I do my homework in the evening. So this is the way to make questions forms. So let's try the next one. The statement is I like vanilla ice cream. This is the part. I like vanilla ice cream. Here you can see that obviously there is a choice. So we also know that the criteria in which we use to choice, we use which. So I'm making the question form of this. Which ice cream do you like? And a question mark. So this is the way to make questions. The third one question, my teacher's name is, my teacher's name is Miss Faiza. This is a very common question, the common answer. Making a question of form, obviously whenever you inquiring, we know that specific information we use what. So what is your teacher name? And a question mark at the end of this. Now move to that part 4. There are 5 shirts in the box. There are 5 shirts in the, for example, we are talking about quantity. So we know that where, how many, we use the term how many. How many shirts in the box? A question mark at the end. Number 5, it took me 10 hours to travel. Now I'm going to making a question form of this. For example, how much, well, quantity about that. So how much I'm using that word. How much time you take to travel? You took to travel. A question mark at the end of this one. If we have quantity, I used how many, how much, and then if I'm using that the word that, if I'm using how much, that is the time one we use, the much quantity I used how much. Number 6 one, they are